Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. Cargo Handlers Limited. Talk about a stellar quarter here. Huge results. Second quarter earnings up 44%. Massive numbers here for the company out west in Montego Bay. Second quarter for the period ending March 31st of this year. CHL's revenue, that's the ticker symbol for Cargo Handlers, registered 110 million Jamaican versus 67 million year over year. Net profit for the quarter, 50 million. SVL Supreme Ventures Limited, led by Executive Chairman there, Gary Peart, trading their shares. Advised on May 6, 2022, a senior manager sold 60,000 shares, taking advantage clearly of the stock price doubling recently. That stock price has really moved up considerably in terms of the market price, market capitalization in recent times. Now, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy acquisition of an asset, this just coming out. They did notify the market before in 2021, acquiring 33.4 MWP solar park in Dominican Republic, DR. Lots of deals happening there as a jurisdiction. It's called the Monte Plaza, successfully completed on May 9th, last week Friday of this year, 2022. Now, the solar park commenced its commercial operation September 1st, 2016, and this is stemming, as we mentioned, from the previous advisory dated June 1st, 2021 by MPC Caribbean Clean Energy Fund LLC. That's the investment company of MPC Caribbean Clean Energy overall. Don't get it mixed or twisted up. They make this very clear in their announcement. Sometimes the market does get confused, but that's what we're here for on Business Live. Now, Berger Paints Jamaica hitting stride again. They're getting the results out there. First quarter earnings here doubling. That's what we like to see. It's a good look for Berger again, going through the motions after Trinidadian company Anson McCall got in there. Now we're seeing the results starting to come a few years later. Berger Paints Jamaica continue to report stronger running quarters. This is quarter over quarter, not year over year, but running quarters. Earnings per share EPS improved to 8 cents versus 4 cents here for the period ending March 31st. Net profit for the quarter, Jamaican 17 million. The revenue improved to a whopping 719 million, increasing from 597.5 million. Year over year, that's 20%. Total equity improved to 1.31 billion, huge number. Of course, Berger, you just seen it here, benefiting from the construction and the development sector island-wide across Jamaica. Last up tonight, before you head into a great weekend, PanJam Investment Limited, stable first quarter. They're not rocking it here, but a stable first quarter. Nothing wrong with that. Led by associated companies, primarily Sagicor. We're going to get to that. So the first quarter results for PanJam, fair quarter as we mentioned. Earnings per share, $1 Jamaican versus 95 cents year over year. Income property investments slightly lower to Jamaican 774 million for the quarter. Net profit was 1.068 billion, one of Jamaica's largest conglomerates. That's a lot of net profit, driven by share results of associated companies of Jamaican 1.15 billion, and that's primarily PanJam's 30.2% stake in Sagicor. In hindsight, that has just turned out to be a huge investment for PanJam, really driving the results overall. Have a fantastic weekend. This is Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery.